RXRX Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. So looking at Recursion Pharmaceuticals, you're already sitting at $4.93. And honestly speaking, man, like if I zoom out, this is where we are, and it's just a bearish market. I'm not just saying it just to say it, just like the truth. Pop up here, you will see how much I freaking... Yeah, this is when I called. I was like $6 at the time. This came down, and then I've been kind of fighting with this second one, which in this case the second break would only really freaking count if it actually breaks beneath here with a full candle close beneath 476. You know what I mean? So if that's the case, then yeah, Gucci. If not, I'm just not planning to sell. Very simple. Like I have 7 results here in the Discord. You know, man, like not anything's supposed to be traded, and I'm here not even in a rush, like just waiting for the rules. If they happen, Gucci. If they don't, that's it. So if you want my exact play and all that good, yeah, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it. Continue to keep you updated.